In this video, I will show you how to connect AI Assist to Google Sheets using an API. This helps AI Assist in finding accurate information quickly for your customers. Here's what you need to get started: growth, business, or enterprise plan on AI Assist. There are two parts of API integration: the script that processes the action and sends back responses, and the schema that teaches AI what to do and act as a database. If you're not familiar with coding, ask a developer for help or visit our developer portal. Step 1. Get your Google Sheet ready. Make sure your Google Sheet has the data you want AI Assist to look up, like SKU, product name, and product details. To upload a spreadsheet to Google Sheets, go to Google Drive, click New, and then select File Upload. Select your file and click Open. Adjust the file to make sure it is accurate. Step 2. Add and set up the script. In Google Sheets, go to Extensions and then select App Script. You may copy the script in our public GitHub, and the link is in the description. This example looks for matches in SKU column and does not perform a comprehensive query across multiple columns. You may use this example as a starting point to build more complex queries. Click Deploy, select New Deployment, click the gear icon and select Web App. Set Execute as to me, and set who has access to anyone. Save the web app URL that is generated. You'll need it later. Step 3. Set up the API. Copy the script in our public GitHub, and the link is in the description. Ensure you replace the server's URL value with the web app URL you copied earlier. Remove /exec from the end of the URL. Modify relevant parameters to fit your needs. For more information on customizing the specs, use an online tool like Swagger to edit and test the file. Copy and save your raw file's URL. You'll need it for the next section. Step 4. Connect AI Assist. Log into your tawk.to account. Select the property where you want to connect the integration. Go to Add-ons, select AI Assist, click on Settings, and select your AI agent. Under Integration, click the Add tool inside the API section and paste the schema file URL. Leave the API base URL blank and choose No Auth for authentication. Then click Save. Make sure to enable it after saving. Test the connection. To test the API, use the Preview widget to ask the AI for a product based on its SKU, and verify that it retrieves the correct information from the spreadsheet. Address any errors to ensure the tool functions properly and remains secure. Once finalized, your customers will enjoy quick and accurate answers through live chat. For further information on how AI Assist works, please visit our AI Assist Academy or schedule a call with our AI Assist specialist today.